Hi guys, VST here, FPS Tech. Pixel 6, not Pro, the regular 6 on my left here. On my right, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This phone runs the Tensor chip. You know about this, I know you know. If you don't know, you can check my video here up. This phone runs the Exynos 2100. But what is the most important thing right now, guys? The Tensor chip here, although invented and engineered by Google, is kind of produced by Samsung as the Exynos 2100 as well. So we pretty much have one and the same company doing both chips inside, but of course they have a very different architecture and different process. But this video is not about chips. This video is about this here. See, I was using my Pixel 6 as a camera. I shoot a lot of my videos with phones because right now I just upped to 4K 60, and doing 13 minutes of 4K video on 60 FPS got the Pixel to really go very hot, to a level that it was just not able to produce more video, and yeah, I had to just shut it off. Now right now the Pixel 6 runs the latest December update from Google, and there are tons of improvements, more than 100 improvements. This is what Google claim, all right? And I did a video yesterday just testing the fingerprint unlock, 100 times unlock it with the old software and 100 times with the new software. You can check it up here as well. But right now I'm interested to see, will now my Pixel beat my record of 13 minutes shooting straight 4K 60? And yeah, just to make this video a bit more interesting, I thrown in here my S21 Ultra, and I'm showing you guys this is the setting. So I'm using here the latest HEVC, which is H265. Same here on my Pixel, right? So that you know they're kind of using the same conditions. And you can just see here the video is going to be ultra high resolution 4K 60 FPS, UHD 60 FPS. All right, shooting on the main lens. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I started to record. Okay, and now the idea is, guys, let's see how much we will get. Let's see if the Pixel now, with the latest improvements, will try to beat the previous records, which was around like 13 minutes, which is still not bad. But I know from my friend Ross from the System Hack channel, he's doing like 45 minutes straight on the iPhone 13. And yeah, I know those things are not iPhones, but I just want to see how much they can do before they become too hot and not being able to operate. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm leaving these phones here for your viewing pleasure. This here is the time code, and I'm gonna speed up the video a bit so that I can try to save your time, but I'm going to resume it at the very exact moment one of those phones dies. And dying in this case means get too hot to not being able to shoot more video. All right, if you're not subscribed for the channel, guys, appreciate you can do this right now before I speed up the video. Please, this is important, and yeah, you're helping the channel to grow. Now let's go back and see which phone will do better. And also, before I speed up the video, pause the video right now, guys. You can do this, right? And I can see later, and just go inside the comments and put your suggestion. Do you think that the Pixel 6 will do more 4K 60 video longer than the S21 Ultra, or you think that the S21 Ultra is gonna shoot more 4K 60 video before, you know, burning on my table? All right, let's start. The first important milestone has just been reached, guys. We have passed the 5 minutes mark. 5 minutes 44, 5 minutes 46. Oh, by the way, you can see here, guys, what I really like on the S21 Ultra. I can just see how much more I can shoot. Of course, provided the fact that my phone will not overheat, and given also into consideration how much free storage I have. By the way, both phones 128 gigabytes. Pixel 1, yeah, Pixel 1 is a bit more relaxed. You don't know really, yeah, you just have here this information, and that's it. And I have to say, guys, doing this video, I own some Pixel devices. Google really upped their game with the video. Pixel was one of the phones, and still is one of the phones, to do one of the best photos out there, but they had serious problems and they really lacked some good video quality. That's not the case anymore, all right? And this is also why I'm joking, like this here is, you know, a brother to the S21 lineup, because this phone here is almost 80% Samsung. But maybe I'm wrong, guys. Maybe it's 50% Samsung and like the brains behind this, like all this machine learning and AI, it's still Google, right? But okay, guys, I'm going to speed up the video again and hopefully meet you here when we reach the 10 minutes mark. All right, 9 minutes, 55 seconds. Yeah, if something really bad happens, we better be not surprised. 10 minutes, guys, 10 minutes. All right, the 10 minutes mark has just been achieved. And I think this is really where it's gonna get very tough. I told you before, I did something like 13 minutes with my Pixel, right, before it really got too hot. And I never did so much with my S21 Ultra, but this is the test. This is why, guys, I'm doing this video, and I really hope that you're gonna be one of the 10 guys watching it. All right, I'm gonna speed up a bit, and let's see. The next milestone is gonna be reaching the 15 4K 60 FPS minutes mark. Five seconds to the 12 minutes mark. That's an interim milestone. 12 minutes, 12 minutes. Ten seconds before reaching the 15 minutes mark. 4K 60 FPS video. 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes, 15 minutes. All right, good job, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is really, I never did. I was never able to go beyond the 15 minutes mark on my Pixel. Yeah, never really tested the Ultra so much. But guys, are we going to get to 20? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. You can pause the video right now and put your comment, and I can see it. You know, there is this new YouTube functionality where I can see exactly at which point of time from the video you have put your comment down. But okay, guys, let's speed up and let's see. 16 minutes on both phones. I really think there is some improvement on the Pixel, and I'm gonna keep going at least until 20. 5 more seconds to reach 17 minutes now. Will one of those two phones die? No, they did it. 17 minutes straight, 4K 60 FPS. All right, let's see if we're gonna get to 18. We are now approaching the 18 minutes mark. 3, 2, 1, 18:00, 18:00. Okay, both phones successfully shooting 18 minutes straight 4K 60 FPS video. Wow. Okay, let's see, guys. The next big thing is gonna be if we can get past the 20 minutes mark. I think we are close to reach 19 minutes, so not a problem at all. For the Pixel 6, 10.0 and the S21 Ultra Exynos 2100. Okay, let's see, guys. Another 60 seconds to reach greatness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 minutes mark reached. So really excited, guys. It means Google really did some nice job and they improved the performance of the Pixel 6. I was never able to go beyond the 13-14 minutes. And by the way, I'm just shooting my videos here, the same ambient temperature, right? So we have 22, 23, which is kind of okay. But imagine with the old performance, yeah, in the summer on the seaside with 35 degrees, yeah, it would have died before reaching even the 10-minute mark. So let's see. We reached the 20 minutes mark, and from here on, guys, everything really is gonna be considered as a win. So I'm just gonna play a bit more. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Recording stopped, guys. All right, 20 minutes. I was just about to pause my camera. 20 minutes. For the Pixel, 20 minutes, 45 seconds, and the S21 Ultra still going on. Yeah, I'm really happy that I got this on camera. I was just about to press the pause button. This is why we do it. This is why we love doing these videos, or at least I love doing these videos. This is really great. The Exynos 2100 beat the Tensor chip, right? So I'm not sure is it cooling, is there anything else? But this is the reality, and I got it on camera. So with the latest December update, the Pixel 6 was able to do 20 minutes and 40 seconds of UHD 4K 60 FPS video. And the S21 Ultra still going on, guys. I'll probably just do a separate video on the S21 Ultra and try to see how much can it get, because I told you, I know from my friend Ross from System Hacks that the iPhone 13 can do 45 minutes straight. Maybe the S21 Ultra can measure with the iPhone, we don't know. But I'm happy right now for this video. We have achieved what we wanted. Thank you very much for watching this until the end, guys. And if you're not subscribed, do it now. If you like these videos, just hit the like button, and please, you and your family, stay safe. Guys, before we wrap up the video, see, almost like the same temperature. But we have here a different core setup. And the tensor, I told you, although the tensor is made by Samsung, it's engineered by Google. Right, but you can just see in terms of thermals, right, the readings are not so different. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and now this time VST over and bye.